So hey, you guys, I just pulled down to the landfill here in Layton, and a nice gentleman was throwing away this mini goat. This is the guy here. He said he used to own this thing so many years ago. Used to ride it around as a kid.
It's probably 50 years old.
Yeah, probably 50 years old or so. And they were tossing it in the scrap bin, and on the landfill here you can't scavenge. So I said, hey, pull off outside the gates and we'll swap it over. So he was nice enough to let us take this and restore it.
And these were built, the tote goats were built by the Bonham Corporation.
Right here in Utah.
Yeah, in Provo.
Yeah.
At the time, and so this was kind of a big mini bike version. The big tote goats have gears on them and
right.
Tractor tires and the whole bit.
Yeah, and it's kind of rare to find the old ones. You know, they sit in people's barns, and it's still got the original Briggs engine in it. Look at that neat thing.
Yes.
So we're going to restore it, and we're going to give this guy my information, and then he can follow along with the restore. What was your name?
My name's Steve Jensen.
Nice to meet you, Steve Jensen. I'm Cody Weston. Got home from the landfill, pulled this thing out of the back of the truck, looked it over. Brakes are intact, throttle's intact, motor's intact. Got a little bit of stuff there. The old mini goat. Tires are holding air. I think the only thing left to do is to give it a pull and see if it'll start. Brakes work, you guys. He was throwing this in the dumpster. They were literally, him and his wife were picking it up and putting it in the trash can, and I pull up and it's like, hey, hold on. I look back and the guy that works at the dumps is looking at me like, you better not scavenge that. I can't believe it starts and drives. He said it leaks a little oil. That's a score. Thanks, Steve.